Hi, I'm Sue and I'm a paper crafting expert. Today I'm going to show you different types of card blank to kickstart your card making journey. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. There are so many different types of card blanks to use for your crafting. And this is the most common variety. This is the standard card blank, and it's just a single fold that you can open up. And you can use this as a side fold or as a top fold. Here's some decorated ones, and this one's a side fold. And you can decorate them with patterned paper, embellishments. You can stamp on them, draw on them. And they're great for beginners and also more experienced crafters because you can cut them and fold them into various different folds and card types. Another good variety of card blanks is the Aperture Cards. I love these because they give you a glimpse of what's inside, especially if you decorate the inside as well as the front. The apertures come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. When you want to get a bit more adventurous with your card making skills, then you can add different elements to the normal standard card blank. Now this one has got a stepper feature on the bottom of it, just to add that extra bit of dimension, and it allows you an extra surface to decorate. And they're great for creating a scene as well, and adding a caption at the bottom. If you'd like to create a real wow factor in your card making journey, you can create one of these. It's an exploding box card. The lid comes off and then you get all these panels that flop down, which you can decorate in all kinds of ways, add photos, embellishments. There's a lovely gift box area in the middle. And also it comes with these little added bits that you can decorate and stick in. Folding out heart. These come blank in black and also white. And this one's partly been decorated on the lid. And then inside we have photographs, different papers with hand lettering, embellishments. Decorate all the panels. It is more time consuming, but it creates this lovely wow factor and a lovely keepsake as well for someone's special occasion. Another card blank idea I'd like to show you is a tri-fold. This is a card that has 2 folds and 3 panels that you can decorate, so it folds in on itself. These can be made simply by a flat piece of paper with 2 folds, and it can either fold in on itself or you can have it in a concertina idea that folds out. This one's been decorated that way. So you've got 3 separate panels to add papers and embellishments. One of my favourite card blank ideas is an easel card. Now this can be created from a flat piece of paper and create 2 folds, and it steps up like this. Let me show you this decorated one. It's got the 2 folds and it just folds up like that. And you need a raised element on the bottom there just to stop the front panel from slipping all the way forward. You can create these from a standard card blank as well, but you need to sacrifice another one, cut that in half along the fold, so you've got another front panel. And then you attach this on the front panel of the standard card and then fold that in half, just so it sits like that. And again, you've got that raised element for the stopper. There's so many different card blank ideas, and there's some we haven't mentioned, like the gatefold card, which opens up like a gate, and the never-ending card, which just continually opens and turns. It's fascinating. One thing to consider though is the GSM number when you purchase your cards. The higher the number, the better quality the card is, because it's measured in grams per square metre, which is a weight. And then there's the paper or the board that the card's made out of, and the colour, so you get cream, black, craft card. or even try making a card out of acetate. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you'd like some more card making inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you for more videos soon.